How to recover password in Facebook Lite if forgot. So if you want to simply recover your password, then first open up your Facebook Lite application. Once you've opened your Facebook Lite, now you can simply tap on login to another account, and here it will take you to the login page, right? So you need to simply enter your mobile number or email address on the first blank. And then if you don't remember your password and if you want to recover your password, then tap on forgotten password. And here it says that they'll send you a code to the email address that you have used while creating your account. So simply wait for the code to arrive, tap on continue, and then wait for the code to arrive. Once you've received the code, simply enter that 6-digit code here and then tap on continue. And here if you've received, then enter the code, tap on continue, and from here you can choose a new password. So enter a new password and then tap on change password, and your password will be changed and you can recover your password. So that's how you can recover your password in Facebook Lite if you've forgotten it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.